Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, aanasmira, and welcome back to my channel. So today, I am going to do a unboxing for the Yeezy Desert boots. If you watched my previous video, I did a review on the Yeezy 500s, and at first I failed miserably, and then I came back and got the right size for me. So this time I kind of learned my lesson, I'm hoping. But what's confusing is that with the Yeezy 500s, it told me to go up half a size. And with these desert boots, it told me to go up a full size. So I didn't go up a full size just because I just feel like they would look so big on me. And I'm wearing like stockings, so maybe they'll fit me a little bit better. If they don't fit, I'm just gonna take out the insole and like hope for the best. So this is the box that I got. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new, welcome back. So let's dig into this box. I think I opened it up. This is the box that it came in. I got them in an 8.5. And basically what I figured out is that they call it adult. I guess they're trying to be inclusive or whatever, but they're really men's. They're men's sizes. So when you look on the size guide, like if you're a 9.5 in women's, you'll be an 8 in men's. Now with the Yeezy 500s, it told you to go up half a size. So I was confused by the whole, just the fact that they were calling them adult sizes, but then the size guide had men's versus women's. But what I figured out is that it is men's. I'm a 9.5 in women's, so that means I'm an 8 in men's. But with the Yeezy 500s, it said to go up half a size. So I went up half a size and they fit perfectly. Now, I will say with the desert boots, it says to go up a full size. But I was so traumatized from getting the 500s that I just stuck with the 8.5. Because they also told you to like measure your foot. So here's my banana foot, my flat ass banana foot. From heel to toe to your longest toe, which is my second toe, to measure it out. So I did that, and it's not exactly at like an 8.5 or a 9. It's like in between. So I just went with the 8.5. So I'm hoping for the best. Now I know one of my coworkers, she has these. I think she has them like in the salt color. I have them in the rock color. But she said that she's regularly an 8 and she went up in an 8.5 and they were still too small for her. But I remember she brought a pair because she bought 2. She brought in a 6 and they were like super tight. So I'm just hoping that these 8.5s fit. If not, like I said, I'll just take out the insole and just deal with it. So here they are. They look so big. So I'm glad I didn't get a 9 because these look huge. I know I have big feet, but they're so nice. Like, these kind of remind me of the Timberland boots. Like, I feel like if you're into the Timberland boots, I'll post a picture of what I'm talking about. Like, I feel like if you were into them, you'd be into these. Because I feel like these didn't sell as fast as, like, the 500s did. These released a while ago, and they've been up for a little while. So, let me try these on and see how they fit. So they got the suede, they have the rubber. I love that it's like all one color and it's not like two-tone. They're tight as fuck. Let me loosen the strings. You already know I got a narrow foot, so the fact that these are tight already. Oh, these are straight. Yeah, they're perfect. Yay! I'm so happy. So I'm glad I didn't go with the 9 because I feel like they would have been so big. Yeah, these fit like perfect. So yeah, these came in a brown color, came in like a bluish gray color, and then this like camel color. I already have enough black shoes, and I have a pair of blue shoes, so I felt like the next best thing would be these. These will probably replace my butter Timberlands, if anything. But yeah, these are dope as fuck. I'm so happy. To be honest, I might have been able to go up one size, but I think I'm good with the 8.5. They're straight. And like I said, I'll take out the insoles. And like just the fact that they're men's shoes, I feel like they would be so big. Like they would look crazy if I got them in a 9. I already have big feet. I already look like La Cienega Boulevardes. So I don't need to go up any bigger. But yeah, I love them. Like if you're into the brown Timberlands, I feel like you'd be into these desert boots. I feel like I'm going to Denver and I'm like gonna go on a hike, but look street and hype beast as fuck. But yeah, I'm happy. So all in all, I'm super happy about my shoes. I can't wait to rock them. I feel like these would be good like airport shoes. They'd be good like hiking shoes. They're just dope kicks overall. So I'm super happy that I got these Yeezys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media at aanasmira. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.